I taught myself. I went to Harbor Freight and bought a cheap little welder, and that's what I started out working with. I took welding just because I've been doing it for about 2 years before I came here, but I wanted to learn the technical side of it and the school side, so I knew, the numbers and classifications and all that stuff.
I just started welding at Capital Region BOCES, and I like the science and creativity of welding.
I really like the sparks, first of all, and my dad and me always do construction, and my dad did welding with his dad, and I'm really close with my dad.
So my goal someday is to own my own business, and if I own my own business, I'm going to have to fix my own stuff, so I'm not paying shops, and you got to be able to weld to fix your own stuff.
I would say that this is a great step forward to make your welding process go bigger and go from where you are now. This will definitely change your experience in the way you look at welding and stuff and being in the trade.
I would highly recommend taking this class. It's not easy. There's a lot of work you got to get done out in the shop, and you got to do your schoolwork too, but you learn a lot from it, and more about how to be employable than anything else.
We all, no matter if some people have done welding or some people haven't done welding, we're like a big family here, and we're all learning together to do something that we want to do further in the future.